Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be a short video kung paano nyo po download yung balance check app ng EasyTrip. Okay? So first of all, may link ako sa baba kung paano nyo kayo makakapag-register. Alright, so once you're registered, login lang po kayo sa EasyTrip website and then click here, download balance check app. Alright? So once na-download mo na siya, it will be downloaded as an APK. So ito po siya. Alright. So yung link, try ko i-send yun, itong link isi-shortcut ko to. Lagay ko sa description para hindi nyo na kailangan mag-create pa ng account. Pero hindi ko sure kung maka-access nyo siya pag hindi kayo nakalagin. So ganito po siya. EasyTrip Balance Inquiry APK. Alright. So once na download nyo na po, transfer nyo po sa inyong phone. And on your Android phone, once na install na po siya, ganito po ang kanyang itsura. Alright, so ayan po siya, balance inquiry. Alright, so ganito lang po, napaka basic. All you have to do is to input your number. So since meron ng nakasave dito na number, ito po ang aking account. And when you search for it, i-confirm nung app yung account number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 digits po yung account number. Nasa card po yun ng inyong EasyTrip. So hit nyo na okay. And lalabas na po dito yung balance. Ayan. Processing, wait. Ayan po. So meron tayong balance na 949. So huling reload is via a bank transfer or bank pay bills with BDO. So yan po ay inabot ng more than 1 day bago mag-reflect po sa inyong final balance. Alright? So ito na po yung ating short video on how to check your balance using the EasyTrip Balance Inquiry app. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye now.